Day 3 of building the Pax Ikea wardrobe. Yesterday I built these drawers, however, looking at them, there's a stupid little gap in between the drawers. This morning I took them all apart, re-drilled them, and stuck them back on. And I think they look so much nicer now. I think they sit nicer and they close more smoothly. Anyway, so it was onto the pull. I could not figure out for the life of me where and how I drill this into the wardrobe. Like, I can't figure it out. I feel like the parts that they've given me are just like the nails are so small. I don't know. I can't figure it out right now. With this, I've definitely learned that sometimes I just need to step away and not look at it because it just does my head in. But anyways, I'm so proud of it. Here's me measuring the in-between bit because I've got the last final wardrobe to put up. So I'm hoping I can do that tomorrow. And the last wardrobe will be so much easier because it's just literally a pull. But yeah, I'm actually so proud of myself. This is such a big accomplishment, especially with the size of it. It's huge. Honestly, I did not think I'd be able to do this by myself. I was so ready to call Ikea and call it a day. Now, Ikea do some motion-censored lights, so I am so interested in getting something like that to put inside the drawers. I think that would be so cute. Wait, I'll see you tomorrow for part 4.